Need to switch scenes in OBS Blade? Yeah, in this quick guide I'll show you exactly how to do it from your phone, so you can control your OBS scenes without sitting at your computer. Let's get started. First, open the OBS Blade app on your mobile device. If you haven't connected it to OBS Studio yet, you'll need to complete the connection setup first using the OBS WebSocket feature. Once the connection is successful, you'll see your OBS controls inside the app. Now, look for the Scenes section. Depending on your layout, it may appear on the main dashboard or inside a dedicated tab. I mean, once you open it, you'll see a list of all the scenes from your OBS project. To switch scenes, simply tap the scene you want to make active. So the change happens almost instantly, and OBS Studio on your computer updates to the selected scene as long as your connection is active. If nothing changes after tapping a scene, check that OBS Studio is still running, the WebSocket server is enabled, and both your phone and computer are connected to the same network. Unless you've configured remote access another way. You can also organize your scenes inside OBS Studio before streaming. That makes them easier to recognize in OBS Blade, especially if you're switching between gameplay, webcam, and starting or ending screens. And that's it. Now you know how to switch scenes with OBS Blade quickly from your phone. If a scene doesn't appear, refresh the app or reconnect it to OBS Studio, and you should be good to go.